Tired of the taste and uncertainty of tap water? Imagine pouring yourself a glass of crisp, clean water straight from your fridge, without the hassle or waste of bottled water. The PUR PLUS 7-Cup Water Filtration Pitcher makes that possible. It's designed to quickly and easily deliver refreshing, filtered water that tastes great, every single time. I've been using the PUR PLUS pitcher for a while now, and what stands out is how simple it is to fit into daily life. Its slim, space-saving design slides right into my refrigerator door, keeping cold water ready whenever I want it. Plus, it's BPA-free and dishwasher safe, so cleaning is never a chore. The stay-tight lid lets you pour water while it's still filtering, which means no spills and no waiting around. What really sets PUR apart is its certified lead reduction filter. The filter PPF951K is WQA certified to cut down on lead and other harmful contaminants. In fact, it removes 3 times more contaminants than the leading Brita pitcher filter. That's peace of mind you can taste. Plus, PUR is the #1 selling brand among certified lead-reducing filters, with over 30 years of innovation backing it up. Beyond personal benefits, this pitcher helps reduce plastic waste. Instead of buying bottled water, you get fresh, filtered water on demand. I even use a second pitcher just for my pets and plants, proving how versatile and convenient it is. Changing the filter is simple, and the cost savings on bottled water quickly add up to cover hundreds of filters. If you're looking for an easy way to improve your water quality and taste, the PUR PLUS 7-Cup Water Filtration Pitcher is worth a look. It's reliable, efficient, and designed to fit your lifestyle without taking up space or adding hassle. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your water routine and enjoy cleaner, better tasting water every day.